Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sangeeta's Cakes and More. So these are winter days, and to soothe your palate I have brought some nice soups for you earlier also, and today also I have brought a very nice and healthy soup. This is burnt chili garlic mushroom soup. It is very healthy in nature. Mushrooms are full of vitamin B's and mushrooms are very good antioxidants. So let's start with the ingredients. I have taken around 5 to 6 big size mushrooms, 1 onion and 1 chili, and something around 10 to 12 pieces of garlic. Salt and pepper as per your taste. So let's take a wok now. Let's switch on our gas. Hardly 1 to 2 grams of butter I am using. Now I will be taking around 5 to 6 of my garlic cloves and chop them fine. A little big slices you can do. Around 6 to 7 pieces I am putting in my soup, and rest of them I will chop for the later half of the soup. Meanwhile my garlic is little fried, I'll chop my onion. 1 onion I have taken. You can slice onion. Now I'll put my onion to my wok. You need to saute them a little so that their raw smell is not there in the soup. And simultaneously I'll tear this dry red chili into 4-5 pieces. I can smell the aroma of garlic being roasted, chilies and onion. This aroma is so soothing and so satisfying that once you start making these soups, you will love them to make every day. Now they are quite nice, and my onions are also getting little transparent. At this stage, I'll put all my mushrooms in the wok, saute for hardly a minute, and then pour 1 glass of warm water. As these are hardly 6-7 big size mushrooms, so 1 glass or 3/4 of a glass of water is good enough for 2 to 3 whistles, and then it will simmer on slow for around 10 to 12 minutes. This is around 3/4 of a cup, which is something around 150 to 180 ml of water. Now I will add salt to it. Now I am going to add my salt to it. Pepper I will use later on while garnishing. I have strained my soup. So here is the mushroom soup and rest of the onions and mushroom. I'll churn them in my blender and add to it. So before adding all this, I'll switch on the gas, put a very small amount of butter just to roast my garlic. As you might remember, I have left around 6 to 7 pods of garlic initially to chop this. So now I have chopped them nicely. I'll saute them. So by the time my garlic is saute, I'll churn my mushrooms and onions in my blender. My garlic are almost done on slow flame. and I can feel the fragrance of burnt garlic. So now our garlic is almost done. It's nice with burning aroma, roasted garlic is there. Now I am going to add this mushroom broth, which after grinding from my grinder I got. So now here is your soup ready to drink. Only black pepper you have to add as per your taste. We have already added red paprika to it, so you need to taste it before you add. So if you like my recipes, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. So while there is just 1 to 2 minutes, by the time it start boiling, I will taste its salt and pepper. So you also adjust salt, pepper this time. Amazing. It's really tasty, and the flavor of burnt garlic adds a amazing taste to it. Thanks for watching my videos. Thank you.